Hello friends, today I will discuss the object selection tool in Adobe Photoshop. Check after the intro. Here object selection tool. Just click, move your cursor and put the object inside the rectangle. This tool will automatically trace the object. But it can't select a complex object perfectly. For rectifying the errors, we need to use the Lasso tool. By Lasso tool, we can subtract unwanted part from selection. It also can add some part in the selection. For this, you can watch my tutorial on Lasso tool. Now we'll change the vibrance of selected part only. Thanks for watching. To get more tutorials, subscribe to my channel and press bell icon.